Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. Once again, it's me, Sabit Christopher, to take you through today's topic. Today, we are going to look at how do you repeat a cell value n times. Now, in this, I mean like if you wanted to repeat all these continents like 5 times, let's say this is Asia, you want it 5 times. And again, also the next Africa, also you want it 5 times like so. Now, are we going to do this repeatedly, copying and pasting in the 5 cells? No. There is a formula to do this, and this is all about creating an array formula, concatenating it with the number of times. We start with an array formula. So we are concatenating this. That is our data. We want it to repeat 3 times, which means I'll be selecting 3 columns. That is it. You close that and enter. So you see that we are doing a repetition once, twice, and thrice. So by doing that, it is spreading into different columns, but we need this one to spread in one column and downwards. Now that's why here we come and include another function called flatten. So we shall include a function called flatten. We have to flatten this. Flatten, open brackets and close. So in the array formula, you include a flatten function, which is going to do the flatten. So you find that at the end of the day, we have our array flattened into one column, and this is it. So you'll see that Asia is appearing thrice, Africa is appearing thrice, and going downwards. This means that if I changed this array, this range, maybe to 5, that is to 5, that is up to G. If I change this one to G, I see now I'm including 5, then enter, it will be having the 5 repetitions. In other words, if I had like 1, 2, 3 going forward like up to 5, at the end of the day you'll have African 1, Asia 1, Asia 2 up to 5, Africa 1 up to 5, like that. Now by this it brings us to something else, which if you wanted to concatenate, like you want Asia, Northern Africa, Eastern Asia for all these 5 regions, Africa for all the 5 regions, but you need them in one column. This is what we are going to do. The same thing. For this case, it will be now, we do the same thing. We start with the array. So that is the array formula. Select the range, concatenate using an ampersand. Select the range of the columns. That is where we have our regions. Enter. You see how funny it becomes. So that tells us that we need to include another function called the flatten. We have to flatten this into one column. So you'll find that it will be flattened Asia, Northern, Eastern, and up to the 5th one, which is Central. Then we also start Africa, Northern up to Central, like that. Now you find that we don't have a spacing between. You can include a spacing by playing with the formula here. So we shall include the spacing here by adding another ampersand. Then here we put open quotes and space, open quotes again. So this one will give us a space between the two. So when I enter, it automatically gives us a space. Thank you everyone who has managed to watch up to the final of the last part of this video. We meet again in another video. Remember to subscribe if it is your first time to reach on this channel, and give us a thumbs up if you find this content helpful to your daily work. Thank you. Bye bye. We meet in another video.